What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish, Cherish, A, Cherish, A. Ain't no stopping when you poppin', and I'm back with another video. So today, I'm just gonna show y'all some hairstyles that y'all could do with short hair, short curly hair, without looking like a cheetah pet, because you know, sometimes when we don't do our hair right, we be looking like a straight cheetah pet. But anyways, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright, so I'm just going to show y'all a couple hairstyles that I do for short hair.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extraordinary.
I showed y'all all the little styles that I do, but at the end, I still always go to my little pineapple top. This is my favorite style I like to do. Sometimes I'll switch it up, but you know, this is what it always boils down to, is the little pineapple top. But it's for real. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.